My name is Emily Henderson.
And my name is Yirara Brokers. And this is Yirara TV.
What does a bomb robot look like?
For several years, our Clontarf team have coordinated the opportunity for our middle school fellows to take part in some great hands-on time, trying out some equipment and talking to various organisations.
Let's take a look.
Afternoon, my name is Simon Coots, or Bomber. I work with the Clontarf Foundation. I run the employment portfolio for the Central region. We're here at Yirara College today and we're running our annual Clontarf Pathways Expo. So the day is broken down into an afternoon where we get Year 8, Year 9 level students. We've got up to about 50 of those here, represented Yirara College. Centralian Middle School, Tennant Creek have done the 500k journey down to be with us today as well. We split those guys up into the 4 providers who are here. Behind me you can see the Australian Federal Police. To my right is the Northern Territory Fire Service.
We've also got some cutters. These cutters will go about 72 tonnes per square inch.
Beyond those in the trees is Norforce.
But your rifle sits in here, machine gun, and it slides around. It'll slide all the way around like that.
And the last provider is Southern Parks NT.
Yeah, and then you'll let go of that one and we'll lump it in.
The reason we hold this event, the Clontarf Pathways Expo, is just to get our Year 9 level students exposed to some of the industries around town, the more bulkier and greater industries. They're about to hit their senior years, which is Year 10, 11 and 12. So it's a good opportunity to get these guys thinking about what they're going to be doing for the rest of their senior years, whether that be subject choice and or career paths. Really great to see our middle school level students engaging with the providers. They're not afraid to go up and ask questions. They're jumping on and grabbing the equipment. And look, a big shout out and thanks again, once again, to Yirara College, who are just a great host and always open their doors to events like this to just give our guys that extra opportunity and hopefully not only in this event, but it gives them that confidence to engage with providers out in the wider community, and they've got another set of people now that they can feel comfortable and see down the street and say good day and get their return.
Beautiful!
Thinking about our bodies and what it means lead us to think about how to be healthy.
Becoming part of the health community is one of the ways we can help ourselves and others.
This week we had our team from down south visit us and show us so many things.
Let's have a look.
Hi, my name's Michaela Rayo and I'm a student speech pathologist at the Australian Catholic University, Melbourne. So today we are here at Yirara College in the beautiful Alice Springs with the Northern Territory PHN and the Rural Workforce Agency NT to deliver the High Schools to Health Careers program.
So does anyone here know how to do CPR on a sheep?
So with this program we are here to open the minds of all the students about all the different health disciplines they can study in future and get a hands-on experience in what those professions may intake.
To 160 and there you go, So there you go.
Mum and Dad, got our M's, like my name, we have our M Come on now, flat bar, tap twice, perfect. Ma?
So in these workshops, we looked at some nursing, paramedicine workshops, so looking at CPR.
Chest and push down as hard as you can. You should be breaking ribs. That's how hard you have to push.
And taking blood pressure. We had some dietitians looking at all our different sugars and what's good and bad for our bodies. We had some pharmacy students come in and they looked at serving medication and mixing it up. We had the speech pathologist, myself, looking at keyword sign and communicating with other people in our community. And we also had a doctor come in and they were looking at some x-rays.
Find some space. Jump. Yeah.
Dialysis, yeah, good work. So diabetes is really, really important to look at sugar because lots of sugar over a long period of time can increase our blood pressure. So our blood, so our fingers and toes can get a little bit damaged. Is everyone ready to have a look at a really gross picture? Really gross, you ready?
Yeah, I just seen that way.
A bit more of an insight on what we do, and it makes them a bit more comfortable to work with these professionals in future. So getting their blood pressure taken, or a few students have come up and asked, how do I use this sign, or what's the hand sign for this and that, so I can communicate with my family members, which is really lovely. So we look forward to coming back in future to Yirara College and delivering this workshop once again.
In our Quick Looks segment this week, continue learning to build guitars.
Make some clay pots with attitude.
Another group tried driving in the mines.
What are these things here?
Learn more about cars.
Up there.
We're doing now fixing the car here. We're gonna put to start the engine up and try to see if it starts. You have to do it. Oh. This is a beast.
Okay.
Go for a bike ride.
Take part in Nepland.
If you're not sure, just pick one. You might get it right. Very good, sir. Okay.
And cook up a storm.
Pizza! Damon and Tony.
Thanks for joining us.
Next week we interview some people from the USA.
And keep building our billy cards for our great billy card derby coming up in a few weeks.
Bye.